All right, good morning. As I was saying before I hit record today, the scenarios are, I'm looking for a few different scenarios. And the main one for me is going to be a pullback. We have 100% long inventory, so I'm looking for a correction towards yesterday's high and the previous week settle at 70s. 74 and 72. And then from there, I'm going to look at, okay, do we bounce and get back to, resume the uptrend? Or do we get into this area to attempt to take the single prints? To me, this 46, oh, man, my numbers are off today. 48.60, where the single prints start. It's a good opportunity to look for a reversal into back into this area, and then taking yesterday's high again into this where the overnight point of control is at 82. So that will be two trades, right? One will be the short to close the gap. The other one will be to look for a reversal around 48.60. If we don't get that reversal and we clean up all the single prints, the other place where I would look for longs would be yesterday's half, Friday's half, which would be at 48.45, and that would be same thing. Look for a reversal, higher highs, higher lows. Usually the best times to look for reversals, in my experience, are like between the 10 and the 10:30 period, and then the second one will be like around 1:30, 2 p.m. If we don't get them at those times, then in my opinion, they're like harder. It's harder to find the V reversal trade that we sometimes catch, which very low risk, high reward. The other, so basically those are the main trades that I'm looking for today. I already took that short at 86. I actually took it a little higher, 86.75. Then I moved my stop too early, got one tick, then re-entered at 86. I still have my stop at the high of the overnight high. Hoping to get to this area to take profits. If I see that we don't get that early, I'm gonna just take what I can get. But NQ looks a little more like it wants to get into this single prints area and clean this up. It's looking a little more bearish. Let's see what happens now at the opening. Just remember, we are after a 60-point rally with gap to back-to-back gaps in the NQ. There's a lot of poor structure below. Doesn't mean that it all will get cleaned up today, but eventually it will. So mark it in your charts. But for now, everything is trending up. Higher highs, higher lows. One time framing up on the daily, on the weekly, on the monthly. So bulls are 100% in control so far. All right, good luck.